To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
Trade. A very sharp recovery from the day's low is what we've seen for the Nifty, so that is looking positive. The Friday cheer has finally made it to the markets as well, because the 0.2% uptick is what we're seeing for Nifty 50, 25,460 thereabouts is where the Nifty is expected to shut shop. Sensex 0.2% uptick coming on that front. Nifty Bank almost 0.5% higher now, and now above the 57,000 mark for Nifty Bank. So that is looking good. Time now to just check if this positive momentum has spilled over to the broader end of the market. The Nifty mid-cap is still slightly subdued, but yes, small cap has made it to the green, albeit very, very marginally. So that is the take on the broader end of the market right now in terms of the way they have performed today. The advanced decline ratio is quite even, Steven, like Shrishti was mentioning. Slight tilt coming in the favor of the advances. India VIX has cooled off another 1% today. 12.2 thereabouts is where the India VIX is, so that is also looking very positive. Let's take a look at some winners and losers when it comes to the benchmark. First, from the Nifty pack, Bajaj Finance on the back of good set of Q1 updates coming in. You have Dr. Reddy's, Infosys, so it's basically a mixed set of gainers that we are getting from different sectors. ICICI Bank, HUL, Wipro, so it's basically IT, you have FMCG, you have Pharma that's made it to the list, Ultratech somewhere, so cement is also making its way onto the top Nifty 50 gainers today. On the flip side, pressure continues to persist on Trent, an 11.5% cut coming in on Trent today on the back of that Nuvama downgrade note coming in, and weaker than expected Q1 revenue update that the company has provided. Followed by that, you have cuts on Tata Steel, Eicher, Tech Mahindra and Maruti Suzuki. So these are some of the top losers in today's trading session. But if you take a look at sectoral moves today, it's really been a surprising move coming in from Nifty Realty, because it snapped its 6-day losing sessions and is now 1% higher to be the top sectoral gainer today, led by Brigade, Phoenix, Godrej Properties, Prestige, DLF. All of them have done well. Following this, you have Pharma, IT, Media, Bank, FMCG, Energy and PSU banks that have made it to the green. PSU banks has also made a quick recovery to the green, so looking good on that front. However, what continues to languish today is Nifty Metal and the Auto Pack. So some names from the metal counters like Jindal Steel, Tata Steel, SAIL, Hindustan Copper, all of them are trading with cuts. And similarly from autos, you have Maruti, TVS, Ashok Leyland, M&M. All of them are trading with cuts as well. So well, that was the roundup for today's trading session. But if you take a look at how this week has panned out to be for us, Nifty Pharma emerges as the top sectoral gainer, and in fact you have Pharma, PSU banks and IT. These are the only three sectors that have finished the week in the green, and big losing moves coming in from Nifty Realty, because despite the kind of recovery it's seen today, it still continues to be the top losing sector over the course of the week. This was followed by Nifty Bank, FMCG, Auto and Metals that have ended the week in the green. So, well, yes, Nifty Pharma, and it's surprisingly, it's names like Natco Pharma, Laurus Labs that have inched over 13, over 10% gains over the course of the week. You have Biocon, we've had news flow for this company as well, Glenmark, Ipca Labs. All of them have done well, and it's PSU banks leading with Maharashtra Bank. So Bank of Maharashtra up 5.5% over the course of the week, and today also we've had the update coming in from Bank of Maharashtra. So at least that performance has looked good, and it's a 0.4% uptick coming in on the stock on an intraday basis as well. So largely that is what the performance has been for us over the course of the week as well as today. Sensex has snapped its 2-week gaining streak and is down in the negative 0.8% over the course of the week, but nonetheless a little bit of a recovery is what we have seen over the course of the week, and that continues to be the way we are expected to open on Monday as well in the green. At least that was the word coming in from our technical experts today. So 25,460 thereabouts, slightly above the 25,450 mark is where we are expected to close on the